Hi guys, Tim Stewart here with Sunset Ford's Commercial Vehicle Department, talking to you today about a Knapheide 350 KUV built on a Transit body. So what they do is they take a 138 wheelbase cabin chassis Transit with all the new technology that came along with 2020s and then built on the KUV body. KUV body is going to give you all kinds of different openings, different places to store your tools. You've got little shelving units inside here where you're going to be able to keep all your tools and things in it. Great for plumbers, great for heating and air conditioning companies. Another set of shelving in there. All aluminum body too, so it's rust proof. You're not going to have to worry about that at all. You got a nice grip step back here on the back. So if you're stepping up inside the vehicle, got a nice step right here with the handle. It does have LED lighting inside there as well, so you'll be able to see all your tools and everything in there. They make sure they put a aluminum ladder rack on top for you as well. On the mechanical side of this is a Transit 350. It's an HD vehicle, so it's got the heavy-duty axle on the back. It is not the dually, so you don't have to worry about the extra width that's associated with that, but it does have the heavy-duty rear end on it. You're going to have the 10-speed automatic transmission. It's going to save you a little bit on fuel. You're going to have Ford Pass Connect, so you're going to be able to remote start this vehicle from your cell phone, lock it, unlock it, including all your cabinets back here in the back will be able to be unlocked from that app. Additionally, Ford's going to give you $210 worth of free service on this vehicle with that upfit on there. This vehicle is going to qualify for all your standard Ford rebates on a Transit. Additionally, it's already got the upfit on it, so you're going to get that upfit rebate of up to $1,000 as well. Come see Tim Stewart here at Sunset Ford Commercial Department, 314-467-1164. Look forward to hearing from you.